In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best cordless chainsaws available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the cordless chainsaws list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the cordless chainsaws mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, PT Club 12 inches Cordless Brushless Chainsaw. The PT Club 12-inch Cordless Brushless Chainsaw is a powerful electric saw designed for home DIY woodworking. It features a brushless motor delivering 800 W of cutting power, capable of handling wood up to 10 inches in diameter. Lightweight at 2.62 kilograms, without battery, and compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers no-load speed of 3800 RPM and a chain linear speed of 6.9 meters per second, perfect for precise cutting, quick adjustments, and convenient cordless operation. It's an ideal tool for gardening, firewood, and woodworking projects. Durable, efficient, and easy to handle, it suits both beginners and experienced DIYers. Number 4, Electric Goddess 12 inches Brushless Cordless Chainsaw. The Electric Goddess 12-inch brushless cordless chainsaw delivers professional-grade cutting power with 1200 W motor output, compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries. Its brushless design ensures long motor life, high efficiency, and low maintenance. Lightweight and ergonomically designed for home DIY wood cutting, this chainsaw handles thick branches and logs effortlessly. Safety features and precision cutting make it suitable for woodworking, gardening, and yard maintenance. Battery-powered portability combined with CE certification ensures reliable and convenient operation. Number 3, PATUOPRO 6 inches Mini Cordless Electric Chainsaw. The PATUOPRO 6-inch Mini Cordless Chainsaw is perfect for small-scale wood cutting and garden projects. Lightweight at only 1.1 kilograms, it is powered by Makita 18V batteries, not included, and features a brushed motor with 1200 RPM no-load speed. This compact chainsaw is ideal for trimming branches, small logs, and detailed DIY work. Its portable design ensures easy handling and storage, while the CE-certified motor guarantees safety and reliable performance. A great choice for homeowners who need a convenient, precise, and easy-to-use cordless chainsaw. Number 2, Electric Goddess 12 inches Cordless Brushless Chainsaw. The Electric Goddess 12-inch Cordless Brushless Chainsaw offers 600 W of efficient cutting power in a lightweight 1.6 kilograms handheld design. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it features a brushless motor, quick chain adjustment, and an automatic lubrication system for smooth operation. With cutting speeds of 5 m/min and a 12-inch chain, it is ideal for woodworking, firewood, and garden maintenance. Durable, easy to handle, and perfect for DIY users, this chainsaw combines performance and portability for everyday cutting tasks. Number 1, PATUOPRO 12 inches Brushless Cordless Chainsaw. The PATUOPRO 12-inch Brushless Cordless Chainsaw is a premium wood-cutting tool with a powerful 21V brushless motor and high-speed 28900 RPM sprocket. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, not included, it features a 50 cubic centimeters oil tank for chain lubrication and efficient cutting of logs and branches. Lightweight, durable, and ergonomically designed, it is ideal for DIY woodworking, yard work, and firewood preparation. Its cordless convenience, precision cutting, and powerful motor make it the perfect choice for both home users and professional woodworkers.